So I thought I had my ex-wife beat by getting that real Humvee, and then she goes and gets this 1984 C10 ambulance. What the heck? She got an ambulance? Wow. And I thought I was being ridiculous. But what's the ambulance for?
Shop Girl Garage. Shop Girl Garage. We're gonna make us a camper in the back so we can check on our patients.
So what's Shop Girl Garage?
It is my clothing line. It is for badasses. Badass women. We have a few things for the guys too. But all my gearhead girls, the girls that like this kind of stuff, that like these old trucks, that like the Mustangs, and the Camaros, and fast cars, and drag strip. For all of us.
All right, well, where can people buy your shirts?
Oh, shopgirlgarage.com.
I heard there's a secret way to get to that website. What's the other website name?
Bornbadass.com.
That's the one I'm going to use.
Yep.
She's got an ambulance.
Welcome to my ambulance.
But yeah, this is cool. You can put merch up here.
I am, and I'm going to make this. This has seat belts, so this was actually intended as a seat with an emergency stretcher as well.
Yeah, okay.
But everyone has a seat belt. But I'm going to make a platform here that flips out with legs on it and a futon mattress so that we can have a sleeping place. I'm going to have a refrigerator right here. I'm going to take out all the medical equipment, the old stuff.
You can leave the hooks up there. You can drop hooks and you can hang clothes up there. You can put a lot of hangers across there.
This is the wrap. This is to help you move when you're walking.
Yeah.
You know, so you don't fall. I'm going to leave this jump seat in here. It's got seat belt and everything, so you can ride back here with that. I'll remove this locking rail for the stretcher.
This is looking really good for a 1984 vehicle.
It has 32,000 original miles. It started its life off in Georgia on a U.S. Air Force base. It was a U.S. Air Force vehicle, and then for the past several years of its life,
That was the seat.
it served proudly for a fire hall in a small town in Alabama with a population of 360 some odd residents.
All right, what kind of batteries or bat power everything back here? How's that run?
There is actually a master switch behind the seat, and there's two batteries. It's a dual battery setup with dual alternators.
So is it 24 or is it 12 volts?
It's 12 volt.
Okay.
You have two 12 volt batteries, and you can run one battery, run both. I'm not really sure. I haven't done the research yet. The gentleman I bought it from said always run both batteries, and to turn the batteries off every time you get out because it keeps power to back here constantly. Right now, I actually have an extension cord plugged into it, so when we go camping, so these 110 outlets, well, actually these are 115, but these outlets here, you can see they're still glowing because there's power connected to the outside.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
So if we're at a campsite, if we're at an event, we can...
Does your intercom talk to the cab?
It previously did, but inside it's disconnected. So I'm going to see if I can figure out how to hook that back up. There's outlets in the floor. This has storage underneath it as well. It's really awesome.
Now, is this air conditioning shared from the cab?
It
When
is.
they turn it on, so
It is.
it's got just ducts that come back this way?
Yes.
That's great.
And you can control up here and everything. It does need a new AC compressor. But that's something I can take care of. I'm going to take these unnecessary things out and take all of this out. A lot of people have looked at it at work today, and then Chase even said, I wonder how many people have died in it.
I was wondering the same thing.
Nobody, because you can't be called dead in the back of the
Well, you're not
ambulance.
declared dead. They did when you get to the hospital.
Right.
They're going to call
But
it.
also, think about how many people were saved in the back of this.
Yes.
And also, OB kids. Think about how many lives were born. brought into this
Yeah.
world. Potentially. I mean, it's a 35-year-old vehicle, and it only has 32,000 miles on it.
Yeah, but you think about that. On a base, you're not driving a whole lot.
Right.
And if you're in a small town, like that came from a small town after the fact,
You're not driving.
you're not driving very far.
So that's very little miles. I mean, that's less than 1,000 miles a year. For
That's
35
crazy.
years. So I don't foresee like a whole lot of tragic events that
Yeah.
took place back here. Or anything.
Well, let's look at the cab.
The cab is set up. Look at this original condition. Original seat. Original floor. Original dash. The dash isn't cracked up. Anything. Door panels are solid. Even the window stripping is still meticulously maintained.
Just the flooring. You can put in some new rubber flooring.
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad. Not bad at all. That's great. Does your searchlight work?
This one, it may potentially work, but it's actually missing the bulb and everything.
Right.
The passenger side searchlight, the wire is unhooked, so I'll check into the wiring on that.
Yeah, let's see the hood.
Yeah, I drove this home today, and I was going 75 on the interstate, and it was smooth sailing. 454, big block.
I can't believe it. You traded a boat straight up, just even.
Even.
Traded a boat for it.
Dual battery setup, dual alternators.
Well, that is the definition of badass. Well, excellent. Everybody's going to go to shopgirlgarage.com and get themselves some shirts.
Speaking of shirts, Faith, come here. This is it, Donovan Fire Rescue. That was the name of the town in Alabama. Come over here, Faith. Show off that Shop Girl shirt and that Shop Girl hat. That's our Shop Girl logo shirt and our badass hat. We have those in all kinds of different colors.